Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to open any app by using terminal. So if you want to open any app, so what you have to do, first you have to find terminal here. So go into launchpad and now here you have to search for terminal. Okay, so now you will see like this. Okay, so now if you want to open Safari, okay, so what you have to do, just type here open, then space minus a, then type Safari. Okay, Safari, and then click on enter. Now you will see that Safari is opened. Now if you want to open Google Chrome or any other app store, okay, so now go to terminal. Now here what you have to search for, open minus a, okay, app store. Now enter. Now you will see the app store is opened. So like this you can open any app by using terminal. So if you like the video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.